Yo, what's up? It's Millionaire Hoyer, and look, today we have an all-standing freestyle Tabata workout. This is the type of workout I love to do when I like to feel through the body and go unscripted and totally off the rails and create new workout moves and have fun throughout our body. So the target today, look, I'm at 7,900 steps. My goal is to hit 2,100 steps in this workout and crush my 10,000 steps for the day. So go ahead and put a big old bright juicy smile on your face, and let's go ahead and get right into it. So we're gonna go ahead and start with a nice sprint to wide knees. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it up. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. And out. Just 15 minutes. I want you to give your all. And we're gonna crush that target. In, out. Come on. We're going jump ropes today for the in-between. All right, from here, we're going double drive, left and right. Mod is needed, and let's go. We're going over 1, 2, up, other side, come on. And over. Breathe it out. Feeling those abs working? I'm going over. Jump rope it out. All right. Hot hands to flies. Hands in front. Drive those knees up. Then arms go out. Let's go up. 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms out. Bring them in. In, out. Just 20 seconds, fam. Knees high. Good, all right. 180 sprinter drills. Already breathing. To the left, tap, bring it over. And down. Just flow through that body. Get some good cardio in. Real fat burning. No clickbait. One more tap. Good, jump it out. All right, from here, let's go for a pedal over to some star jacks. All right, so pedal speed, 2, 3, 4, over, jack, and pedal. Come on, over, jack, pedal it down. Making up new moves on the spot, fam. Jack left, right, and rope. All right, plyo knee, uppercuts. Let's start from the right, going towards the left. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, uppercut. Sprint. And over, come on. Sprint. One knee left, right. Woo! We're flowing. We're going right to the other side so that I don't forget. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, uppercut. Sprint. And over. Come on, pick up those knees. You got it. All right, let's go for a nice football drill. Pedal those feet, jack it over, follow my lead, all right? So pedal, 1, 2, 3, 4, jack, 4, 3, 2, 1, pedal. All the way over towards the right. Jack, 4, 3, 2, 1, pedal. Make it to the center. Quick, fast, up. Nice. Woo! All right, from here, let's go for hiker sprint. That's a high knee to a butt kick. Bring it up, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. Knees up. And back. Sweat dripping. Come on. Still moving, fam. All right, agility sprint. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sprint out fade. And down. 2, 3, 4. Woo. Come on. Get no steps. Pick those feet up off the ground. Yes. All right. Let's go for diagonal side V sprint. Starting from the right. Bring it over. Diagonal. Sprint it up. Then over. Come on. Bust the move. Keep pushing. 180 brisk march. And then we'll hit the other side. Face to the left. Come on. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. To the front. Turn. Lock in that core. Turn. We're getting in those 80 steps. Keep pushing. Let's make it to the right. Turn. Jump rope. All right. Side V sprints. From the left, going towards the right. Come on, we're burning it up. Diagonal. Sprint fade. Come on, over. And up. Woo! All right, cardio circuit. Jog, jack fade. Good, jump for 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn. 4 jacks. Turn, 8 butt kicks. Turn, jacks. Turn, jog. Turn, jack. Butt kicks. Good, keep on moving. All right. Let's go with some speed jugglers. As fast as you go, come on, 20 seconds. Pick those knees up, pick those heels up, engage through that core, and let's move. You go faster than that. Good, jack it out. Hater sprints coming up next. Let's start from the right. Bring it over. 1, 2, 3. Sprint fade. And over. Pushing through. 1, 2, 3. One more. Good. All right. Let's get those hands up. We're gonna hop over to a holler. Sprint fade, arms up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop it over. Arms up. Come on. Side to side. Pushing through. Good. Side knee sprint. To the left before, sprint in the center. We're getting that cornball today. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sprint out. Other side. Turn up. Hungry for results. Sprint. 4 more knees. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lateral sprint. Side to side. 20 seconds. Pick those knees up. Come on. Yeah. Side to side. Come through that core. Come on, pick up the pace. All right, from here, 180, in and out pedals. You're doing an amazing job. Pedal, 1, and out. Turn, pedal. Come on. And out. I'm gonna hit that goal. Bring it in. Ah. One more side. In. There we go. All right. Left to right, uppercut sprint. We're gonna start with the sprint. Uppercuts over. 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Tighten that core as we jog it out. Fast feet. Good. All right. Let's play off of that pedal. We're going high, low, flash dance. Starting over from the right. So, bring it low. 2, 3, 4, and up. Down. 2, 3, 4, and up. Come on. Down. And up. Down. And up. Down. Let's go. All right. From here, what I want you to do is very fast base step. All right? Fast as you can go. Come on. The fastest base step you got. Move those feet left and right. Hustle. Come on. Yeah. Just 20 seconds. In and out. Yeah. Woo! Who knew the base step could take it up a notch? All right, from here, we're gonna raise that roof. Come on. Give yourself a little bit of break here. Step it in and out. Yeah. Come on, press. We're pushing. Yeah, literally, push it up. Yeah. 180 high-low sprints. We're gonna face the left and jog. When we come to the front, super high knee. Face the right and jog. Super high knee in a second. In the center. Let's go, jog. High knee. Turn, jog, quick. High knees. Turn. And up. So you turn it up. Come on. Turn. And up. Yes, we're still moving. All right. From here, what can we do? Half whole hollers. Half whole up. I want to get that heart rate up. And it's a great way to do it. Come on, over. Woo! Front to back, half juggler sprint. Knee, heel, heel. Let's go. Up, up, tap, tap. Bring it back. Forward. Push. Back. Blasting away fat. Good. Half whole hollers. Come on. Half. Whole. Arms up. Come on. Still driving those knees. Fat burning freestyle. That means you have to be prepared for anything that shows up. From here, front to back Ickey sprints, second to last move. Let's go. 1, 2 knee. Hustle. Push. Just one more move. Let's work while we have the opportunity. Come on. Final move. Let's go for finish line sprint. Sprint for 8, arms out. Let's go, this is it. Arms out, like we're cutting that ribbon. And sprint. And out. Come on, I can see the finish line from here. 10 seconds. Pick it up. One more. Cut that ribbon. Yes. Woo! Way to go. Give me that fist bump. You know what's coming. And boom. Fist bump. Way to rock it. How many steps did we get? 2,311. And I crossed that goal of hitting my 10,000 steps. Hey, way to work it, family. We brought it today. We took off all the rails. We freestyled. And we were ready for whatever popped up. Some of y'all had to learn how to modify some of these moves on your own. But other than that, we gave our body everything that it needed in this short 15-minute workout, burning over 240 calories. So shout out to you all for bringing it. As always, we're gonna keep on bringing it throughout the day. Make sure that you stretch if this is your final workout, or you can stack these workouts together and get even better results. With that being said, as we move throughout the day, healthy food in our stomach, healthy things in our heart relationship, healthy things in our mind, mental health over everything else. I am spent. Until the next time we come back, it's Millionaire Hoy. Take care and peace out.